You guys, I recently went to Hyderabad and shopped a lot from IKEA. I spent 11K in IKEA and of course जिससे कि मुझे less guilt हो कि मैं पैसे खर्च आई हूँ. So we're gonna make a haul about it and I will call it money spent for my content. That is how I justify my shopping addiction. That is why this YouTube channel exists, so that I can afford my shopping addiction. Anyway, without further ado, let's start with the video. So this video has like super random things. So of course everything is home related because it's IKEA. The very first thing that I got, which I was actually super excited about, and IKEA के app में भी मैंने बहुत time से वो wishlist किया हुआ है, is their lamp, this super pretty IKEA signature lamp. I'm gonna put up a video where I kept it on my bedside. Books पढ़ना पसंद है, so I wanted a cute lamp for my bedside, and we have this one now, and it looks freaking cute. Okay, next, very random. I got this popsicle maker. It has like 6 popsicle thingies. You make popsicles out of it. I got it for my niece, जिसको मैंने अब तक गिफ्ट नहीं दिया है because मैंने फिल्म नहीं किया था. So guys, आज हम उसको गिफ्ट कर देंगे ये. Next thing I got for myself are these ice trays. It's a set of 2 ice trays. So the one thing that I liked about कि this, they have the cover and नीचे से ना ये silicone है, so it will be like easy to like pop them out. Now you know that I'm an adult also and I do buy home things, not just clothes and bags and heels. See, I have bought ice trays. Who am I kidding? I love shopping for home things, you guys. Okay, next thing that I got are actually these towels. This is like a full size bath towel and I just love the pattern. I found it super fun. Just reminds me of beach. And then in the same pattern I got a hand towel also. They do feel soft and the quality is actually pretty good. Also, I'm gonna mention all the product codes or product links in the description box below, so make sure that you check it out. Next thing that I have is these plastic wine glasses. I got these for my niece again. I just found these super cute. The color is super summery, I feel, and she loves drinking watermelon juice. So when I'll be having my wine, I'll give her the watermelon juice in it. Just kidding, but these are actually very cute and I wanted to get some fancy glasses for her, so we got this one. Next, I got, you guys, the cutest curtains ever. Like, let me show you. Look at this picture. I'm also gonna put a proper video where I have also hung these curtains in my rooms. I got these because they're super aesthetic, Pinteresty, and मुझे मेरा जो ये मेरा रूम है जो मैंने स्टूडियो रूम बनाया हुआ है उसके लिए मेरे को कुछ ऐसा क्यूट सी सा कर्टन चाहिए था, तो मैं 2 ही लाई हूँ अभी, which I thought will go with these linen curtains that I have already, but I'm not sure about it. So हम लगा के देखते हैं साथ में कैसा लग रहा है. नहीं लगा तो we'll order like a 1 set more. But yes, this is the other thing that I got. Next thing that I picked is again an ice tray or maybe baking tray, I don't know, but I got this because it has like some fun shapes of dolphins and ship. मुझे cute चीज़ें लेना उसके लिए बहुत पसंद है, so ऐसा एक एक करके I'm gonna give her things, so I think she gonna love this also. Okay, next thing that I got is very random, guys. It's like a baking like oil wala brush, ठीक है, but I got it because of the colors and I thought I'll just use it in my normal pan like for ghee and oil, क्योंकि क्यों नहीं. I just love the color combination of it and hello, it goes with the theme. I don't have a theme actually in my kitchen. मुझे जो कलर्स अच्छे लगे मैं ले आई हूँ. I also bought forks, by the way, very funny story. So I went to Hyderabad मेरी friend से मिलने, like my bestie lives there and she works in IKEA actually. She is some designer there. तुम ऐसा होता है यार अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड का, तुमको जॉब प्रोफाइल एग्जैक्ट नहीं पता होता है. So even I don't know that, but she is maybe a layout designer. I don't know, but yeah, she works there. So उसके घर में आधी से ज़्यादा चीज़ें IKEA से है. So I really liked the size of the fork. So I thought let's just buy it for my home also. So I got the two sets of it. मेरे घर ज़्यादा लोग आते नहीं हैं, so मैं 8 ही लाई हूँ, which is like more than enough I feel. This set of scissors, very random, I know that, but again मैं ना ये इसलिए लाई हूँ गाइस, सिर्फ और सिर्फ बिकॉज इसके कलर आँख में नहीं लग रहा है मुझे. लाइक दिस इज वेरी पेस्टल, लाइक ग्रे सेज ग्रीन कलर का इसका टॉप है. देन वी हैव वेरी रैंडम, वेरी घरेलू चीज. आई विल शो यू. इस पे खुलता है, ये ऐसे खुलता है. सी, आई फाउंड दिस सुपर कूल. अगेन आई गॉट इट क्योंकि इसका कलर लाल पीला नहीं है. सो नॉट वेरी ग्रोन अप वाला शॉपिंग मैंने किया है. So I got this for my laundry. Okay, next thing that I picked up, I actually picked up 3 bed sheets. So first is this one. This is in like sage green. मैं अभी खोल नहीं रही हूँ because I have to film it for Instagram also. But you will see ये बिछा के कैसा लग रहा है, ठीक है. And I also got the set of pillow covers. So basically IKEA में अलग अलग मिलता है bed sheet and the pillows. This is like a double bed with like, can you tell me the thread count? So thread count is basically 60 per square centimeter. I'm talking about it like I understand. I do understand that the IKEA bed sheets are actually nice because मेरे पास पहले भी है एक, and काफ़ी wash मैं उसको कर चुकी हूँ, and it is still very soft and it's just good to sleep on. So I got this one. I got one more in navy blue. That one is like fitted bed sheet with 2 pillow covers. वो इससे थोड़ा और महंगा है. You can see the video here कि वो कैसा लग रहा है. वो अभी फिलहाल मेरे बेडरूम में बिछा हुआ है. I wanted a navy blue bed sheet from a very long time and मेरा मन था या तो मैं वेस्ट साइड से लूँ या मैं IKEA से लूँ. So मैं IKEA में थी, so I got it from IKEA and I just thought कि बेडशीट में थोड़े पैसे खर्च सकते हैं हम बिकॉज वो बहुत लंबा टाइम चलती हैं. ओके, next bed sheet for my niece. This has like a very cute doodle pattern. You can see here in the print. तो ये सिंगल बेडशीट है. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज इसका MRP है 1119 बट आई गॉट इट इन सेल फॉर ओनली 400 रुपीज़ गाइज. बहुत बढ़िया सेल था. एंड आई थिंक ये ग्रीन वाला भी मैं सेल में ही लाई हूँ. Next we have these 2 boxes. This is like your tea and sugar boxes in like tin, and iska jo lid hai, these are matte guys, very sexy. Looks so pretty, right? It has like gold lid going on, and this one's like airtight. Yeah, this one's airtight and good for your चीनी पत्ती यहाँ यूज होती नहीं है मेरे घर. तो आई एम गोना पुट माय कॉफी एंड sugar free sachets. That's what I'm gonna put in it. But yeah, these are pretty cute and aesthetic. I love it. तो I got, ये अलग अलग ही था बट मेरे को 2 एक ही ज़रूरत थी तो मैं 2 ही लाई हूँ. पर बॉक्स इज़ 279 बट आई थिंक ये सेल पे था तो 200 या 220 का एक बॉक्स था तो मैं ये लाई हूँ. Next thing guys, very random, doesn't go with my outfit, but this is for washing your dishes. So basically you put your, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, धोने वाला लिक्विड हियर. रुक जाओ. तो आपका डिश वॉश का लिक्विड इधर जाता है and then you pump it like this or press it, I don't know. Then you can just wash your pans and cookers from this. घर पे जो house help है, when I show her this कि मैंने तुम्हारे लिए लाया है, she's gonna laugh at me I think, but ठीक है, जब वो छुट्टी पे होगी then I'll use it. Next thing that I got are actually these boxes. I got 2 of these to keep my dry fruits in, and काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे. Like you can open it from here or just completely open it, and these are transparent. I've used them once and washed them once. So next purchase. Then I also got this Lazy Susan. Basically Lazy Susan क्या होता है ना, it's like a rotating tray, you can see here, and I'm gonna put a video. I've kept it on my microwave with all the spices. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है माइक्रोवेव के ऊपर लेके रख के बिकॉज उसका साइज है वो काफ़ी बड़ा है and it can hold like a lot of spices. and it's wooden, it looks aesthetic, so I got that. Next, I got these two coffee mugs. So I love collecting coffee mugs, guys. So this is one, like number one that I got. Its pattern is super pretty. It's in navy blue. And then I got this one. This one's more subtle. It has like this brown detailing on the tip of it, but I got these two, like one for me and one for Shruth, and yeah, I love them a lot. Let me know which one was your favorite thing, and if you're lucky enough कि तुम्हारी city में IKEA है, so let me in the comments. But I think Ahmedabad में भी अब आ जाना चाहिए IKEA. But yeah, let me know which one was your favorite product, and if you enjoyed the whole and if you enjoyed the haul, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Please support this channel, guys. मुझे 6 साल हो गए हैं, मैंने अब तक मुझे 100K पे नहीं पहुंचाया है, but we will keep doing it because that's what we do, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.